Picture a steaming bowl of bibimbap, the vibrant colors of vegetables, and the glistening egg yolk waiting to be mixed in. Welcome to the world of Korean cuisine, a culinary landscape as diverse as it is delicious. Globally celebrated for its unique flavors and textures, this cuisine has something for everyone. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 Korean dishes that have won the hearts and taste buds of food lovers worldwide. So, brace yourselves as we embark on this culinary journey, starting with the 5th popular Korean dish on our list. At number 5, we have the colorful and appetizing bibimbap. This vibrant dish is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. It starts with a base of fluffy steamed rice. On top of it, you'll find an array of sautéed vegetables, adding a rainbow of colors and a variety of textures. Then comes the marinated beef, typically bulgogi, which adds a savory depth to the dish. The crown jewel of bibimbap is a raw or fried egg, its yolk creating a rich sauce when mixed in. And let's not forget the gochujang, a spicy Korean chili paste that adds a fiery kick. Now here's the fun part. Before you dive in, you mix all these ingredients together. This isn't just a culinary tradition, but a cultural symbol too. It reflects the Korean philosophy of harmony and balance in every aspect of life. Bibimbap, a dish that truly represents the harmony of Korean cuisine. Moving on to the 4th spot, we have the iconic kimchi. This tangy, spicy, and utterly addictive dish is more than just a side. It's the heart of Korean cuisine. Kimchi is made from fermented vegetables, primarily Napa cabbage and radishes, seasoned with a flavorful blend of garlic, ginger, chili, and other spices. The process of making kimchi is a tradition in itself. The vegetables are first soaked in a salty brine, then mixed with the spicy seasoning. What follows is a fermentation process, which can range from a few days to several weeks, depending on the desired flavor profile. This process allows for the development of kimchi's signature tangy flavor and crunchy texture. But what truly sets kimchi apart is its versatility. It can be eaten fresh, used as a condiment, or incorporated into a variety of dishes like stews, pancakes, and fried rice. So the next time you're enjoying Korean food, remember, kimchi, more than just a side dish, it's the heart of Korean cuisine. At the 3rd spot, we introduce you to the sweet and savory bulgogi. This Korean classic is all about the marinade, a flavorful mix of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, and pear. Yes, you heard right. The secret ingredient is pear. It tenderizes the beef and imparts a subtle sweetness that sets bulgogi apart from other grilled meats. Imagine thin slices of beef, marinated to perfection, then grilled or stir-fried until they're caramelized and bursting with flavor. Each bite is a symphony of sweet, salty, and umami, making bulgogi a beloved staple in Korean cuisine. But it's not just the taste that's memorable. The process of cooking bulgogi is an experience in itself. The sizzle of the meat as it hits the hot pan, the aroma of the marinade caramelizing, it's a feast for the senses. Whether served over rice or wrapped in lettuce leaves, bulgogi is more than just a dish. It's a taste of Korea's culinary culture. Bulgogi, a dish that showcases the perfect balance of sweet and savory. Securing the 2nd spot, we have the delightful Japchae. Imagine a dish that's as fun to say as it is to eat. Japchae is a vibrant noodle dish that dances on your palate with its unique blend of flavors and textures. At the heart of Japchae are the sweet potato noodles, transparent and delightfully chewy, offering a playful bounce with every bite. These noodles are stir-fried with an array of vegetables, each adding a splash of color and a crunch. There's the earthy spinach, the crunchy carrots, and the subtly sweet bell peppers, all sautéed to perfection. Often you'll find slivers of tender beef tossed into this mix, making it a satisfying meal all on its own. And the secret to its addictive taste? A sweet soy sauce that coats every strand of noodle, every piece of vegetable, every morsel of meat. Whether served as a side dish or a main course, Japchae is a versatile delight that fits any occasion. Japchae, a noodle dish that's sure to leave you wanting more. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. At the top spot, we have the irresistible Samgyeopsal. This is not just a dish, it's an experience. Imagine grilling succulent slices of pork belly right at your table. The sizzling sound, the enticing aroma, it's all part of the charm. Once perfectly grilled, you wrap the tender pork in crisp lettuce, maybe even add a dash of garlic, green onions, and samjang for that extra flavor punch. Samgyeopsal, truly the king of Korean dishes. And there you have it, the top 5 most popular Korean dishes. We started with the vibrant bibimbap, then moved to the foundational kimchi. We then savored the sweet and savory bulgogi, followed by the delightful japchae. And finally, we ended with the interactive experience of Samgyeopsal. Together, these dishes paint a picture of the rich, diverse, and utterly delicious world of Korean cuisine. So next time you're in the mood for some Korean cuisine, you'll know exactly what to order. Until next time, happy eating!